Sup fam, it's Musashden, and this week it's time to learn about the boss. No, not Bruce Springsteen. No, never that. I'm talking about the boss lady, Della Landau. But before we learn about who she is, let's go back and talk about who she was. Dell was the end result of watching House MD. More specifically, seeing the lovely Lisa Edelstein. She's in charge, she regularly tells House to suck an egg, her wardrobe was bomb as hell, and in my opinion, she was the best part of that show. And when she quit, so did I. But I decided to base a character off of her. The character of Dell started life as a secret agent. No joke, Dell's original storyline was that of an aging spy that was looking for a way out of her life in espionage. The agency she worked for was involved in dirty dealings, specifically superpowered augmentations. Sound familiar? And everything she was trying wasn't working out because when she spent 5 minutes alone with herself, she realized she has not had a chance to live her life and get to know herself until she meets her girlfriend Zen. And it turned into this love story. Come to find out, Zen is her replacement within Dell's old agency, and it ended in that ham-fisted cliche, "I can't kill you because I love you" crap. No lie, that's still in the background of her character, but when I was putting Illegal Tender together, I started with Lily and Emil, and decided to fold in all these characters that were shelved because their stories went nowhere, and Dell and Zen were added to the cast. And I was originally going to make Dell super fast, but because of her size, because she's this small being, I thought it would be funny to make her super strong. And she became the boss because she's the oldest of the main cast. And honestly, I didn't want to put a man in charge because Lord knows there are entirely too many comics with those. Like, all of them. All of them have a man in charge. Look it up. So Dell is the boss. She became an heiress, surviving her wealthy parents. She used her money to buy property. One such property is the bar where other unregistered superpowered beings can come and not worry about being snatched up by the agency. She also owns the gun range where Lily and Emil train on her birthday in issue 3. Buy it now on Amazon. Just keyword search Illegal Tender comic. I kept the fact that she's retired from the agency. Zen is no longer her replacement, but Zen is the reason Dell's life doesn't suck. She's a great girlfriend. Dell's other relationships include a bit of a mother-son bond with Emil. She even has a pet name for him. Dell also knew Lily's parents and is that character that knows everybody's connection to the others. She knows the tea, but she's not messy like Alpha, so she keeps it to herself. As far as personality goes, Dell is the mom type, I guess, like if your mom was also your boss. She runs everything and she looks great while she does it. She loves her crew and she is fiercely protective of them because she knows they need her, and she's seen the horrors of the agency herself, and she will do anything to keep as many supers out of their grasp as she can. And now for everyone's favorite part of my video. I'm going to put on some music and speed draw my latest drawing of Dell. I grabbed a reference of this young lady who looks like she can literally kick my ass 3 ways from Sunday. I got the image. The root image says it's from blackbeltimage.com. Makes sense. And here we go. Here's my latest photo of Dell. Enjoy! All right, here's the finished product. This was actually a redraw of the very first image I ever drew of Dell way back in, I think the date says something like 2009. So Dell is almost 10 years old. I can barely believe it. But here's how she looks right now, today. If you want to learn more about the fabulous Della Rae Landau, she has her very own comic book. It's called Illegal Tender, and you can buy all 6 issues on digital on Amazon. Just keyword search Illegal Tender Comic. That's it for this week's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I update every Friday, and you can also follow me on DeviantArt and Instagram. I'm Musashden here, there, and everywhere. Thanks for watching.